There we go. Okay. So, wow, new live stream. I can start the YouTube after the fact. Anyway, what I was saying. Again, sorry about the late start. I pride myself in timeliness. It happens. I am but a man. Anyway, monkeypox in play. I did a couple videos over the weekend kind of talking about that. And it really reminds me of Ebola 2.0. And, I hope this doesn't sound this may sound terrible. Remember, I'm a nice guy. I try and be a nice, we talk about this. I want the best for everyone. If you look back, if you were trading back around, during the Ebola outbreak, I want to say 2014, 2015, somewhere in there, incredible trading opportunities, incredible moves, but, it lasted a week or two, and again, I'm hoping we see very similar with monkeypox. It's an issue for a week or two, and then we can move on. So anyway, that being said, let's get the show notes and let's get going. I still like SIGA as kind of the number one. And, now why? Ultimately, anytime, and this goes back to the video from the weekend, and the weekend watch list, et cetera, et cetera. 99 out of 100 times when a stock like this, literally closes at the highest point of the day, or the highest point, especially on Friday. Okay. 8 p.m. close Friday night, the stock highest point. Okay. Why? Something we always talk about is what's the why behind of a move. To me, again, I know people are scared of monkeypox. I know people are thinking this is going to gap on Monday, but to me, that's just shorts, and not entirely, but a significant majority. That's why this thing pins the high a day at exactly 8 p.m. The last possible point that they can get out before the weekend, big green candle. Okay. That tells you something. So that being said, really, in my opinion, VWAP reclaims are in play. Breaks a 16, breaks a 17, hell, breaks a 18. Okay? So many ways to play this, and it's my fave so far. Because of, now this is not a down, this is nothing against GovX or TNXP or any of these others. It's just that 8 p.m. close. It doesn't guarantee anything, but it tells me shorts are trapped. VWAP reclaims, whole dollar, half dollars, all the way up. Basically, any bullish pattern is in play on this, okay? So, SNMP, a bunch of you asking. Scamex. I guess. I don't know. It's a true penny stock. What is this crap? Crappy oil and gas. Yeah, $2 million. Listen, a lot of you asking about SNMP, which is great. Simple network management protocol. That shows you how old I am. Anyone else ever? Oh, one of my favorite words of all time. Multi-router traffic grapher. I'm old enough to remember setting up multi-router traffic grapher to monitor the SNMP ports on some 10 meg Ethernet switch. Whoa! That shows you how old I am. Anyway, I don't know. It's trash oil and gas. To me, we got monkeypox, okay? Now, as always, something you'll hear me say, my number ones don't need to be your number ones. But if you're talking about, what do we do here? We focus on morning runners on pre-market prep. That is the agenda of the live stream, okay? Because it's at 8:30 a.m. I can't, quite frequently I'll talk about, hey, afternoon VWAP holds or swings. But man, I mean, it's like, listen, we're 6 hours from 2 p.m. I can't look that far forward, okay? What we do here, 99%, other than ranting about old man stuff and dad jokes, that's the 1%. The other 99% is talking about morning runners. You got Govix, okay? You got SIGA. You got some other trashy monkeypox plays. That's where I think your focus should be day trading in the morning. Now, that might change by noon. It might change by tomorrow. But anyway, Govix is a dip and rip. SNMP, I don't see anything. I don't see anything sexy. I'm just scanning breaking news. I don't see any chat pumps yet. So, monkey. Now remember, monkeypox list so far. Remember, if this becomes the hot sector, every penny stock will become a monkeypox play. Okay, every one of them. And also understand so remember the rules. None of these crappy penny stocks will ever do anything. Okay? So can we get that real clear? Okay. So before I go any further, can I be real clear about something with all of you? Okay? Listen, it's day 2 of the monkeypox run. And this might be the most important takeaway from today. So I'm going to go 72-point font. And I'm going to go all caps. Okay, so it's probably going to be the theme of the week, maybe for weeks, but we're clear on this, right? Okay, if Govix fails this morning and never bounces, okay, I don't want to hear 2 weeks from now, hey, what do you think about Govix? Okay, and again, my friends, if you can't take a stop, all right? If you can't buy Govix at 210 and stop out at 180, if you are unable to do that, if you don't have the discipline, that's fine. We'll get you there. But today, if you do not have the discipline to understand what Govix or SIGA or INO or any of these are, don't trade them. Please, seriously, do me a favor. Avoid them like the plague. Buy some ExxonMobil. Buy some Apple, okay? Please. If you consistently find yourself believing in penny stocks, then please, the last thing you should do is go anywhere near these monkeypox plays. Vice versa. If you know that it's just a bunch of letters and a press release and mania and volume and float rotation and short squeezes and key levels around whole dollar, half dollars, highs of days, VWAP reclaims, 5-minute red candles, afternoon VWAP holds. If you understand that all these patterns and criteria make these trades, then booyah, let's roll. All right? Let's roll. Sorry, but we're in the beginning. I want that out. I want that out there. Because I think we got a multi-day, multi-week run here. And I don't want to have to repeat this every single day if these things die. You have to have a stop. Oh. People trading penny stocks without a stop. All right. CBIO 830 PR. Let me guess. Monkeypox. What? I hope it is. It probably is. Asset sale. Usually not my favorite plays. I mean, $60 million, that's a lot of money. Well, okay, so keep in mind, notice I said asset sale, not my favorite. But $60 million, they got a $20 million market cap. That's a lot of money for this crappy biotech, okay? These guys are partying hard tonight. Let's go to the board. Where's the board of directors? These guys, the amount. Well, I don't want to disparage any of these fine individuals, but the amount of, air quotes, good times all these people are going to be having tonight. The management team, look at this guy. Okay, listen. Grant, I have a feeling Grant would like to partake in some good time. Look at this guy. That dude parties. Okay, look at him. He can't even comb his hair for his profile pic. Anyway, $60 million is a lot of money for a penny stock. Dip and rip for sure. As always, don't be a believer. CBIO, let me go back to 30-point font. Slow down. Jeez, oh Pete. CBIO, normally hate asset sales, but that's a lot of coin for a 20 million market cap. That will take months to burn through on cocaine, bottle service, jets, and yachts. Dip and rip all day. Set the HOD in pre and trade against that. Again, I'm not saying any of these fine individuals would ever partake in any sort of those activities, except for Grant. I got issues with Grant. All right. Little all over the place this morning. I did have some issues getting the webinar going, so definitely a random episode. What is the number one, GovX or SIGA? I still like SIGA myself. CBIO, top of the list. So obviously it's a long way till the market open. Long way till 9:45. But right there's the top three, you know. And if I had to choose, you know, if I had to commit to a number one 9:45 mover, now I reserve the right to change the opinion based on the next hour of price action, but I still like SIGA just because of that Friday squeeze. And listen, you could say maybe I'm biased, but man, here's the thing. In 15 years, I've just seen so many times So many times you got a hot sector, trash stock that pins the hot at 8 p.m. on a Friday night, becomes the biggest mover on Monday. So anyway, reclaims of VWAP and whole dollars all the way up. GovX trading against the pre-market high. Have a great day, my friends, and we will see you next time. Whoops, where's my... Yeah, I'm so disorganized. Hey, man, I am but a man. I'm very disorganized this morning. Where's my music? I don't even know. Maybe I can find it. Maybe I can't. Hey, we made it work. There it is.